Good morning, I'm Gail Vogel here in the Big Apple, and today I'm going to make a lot of apple recipes for you, and this is my lovely assistant Monica who's going to be helping me with all those apples. Today we're going to cook with Braeburn apples. Braeburn apples are from New Zealand. They're a combination of a Lady Hamilton apple and a Granny Smith apple. They're a very crisp apple, they're red, and they've got a beautiful skin coloring with yellow and red, looks like a little striae. I'm going to peel them, I'm going to put them in my bowl with a little water and a little Applejack, and then I'm going to put them in a saucepan and let them come to a very low, slow boil. Because the apples are so delicious, they'll disintegrate rather quickly, and we're going to make an applesauce from them. So now I'm going to show you how I'm going to peel this apple. Go around the top, get most of the peel off. It doesn't have to be too exact because we're making applesauce. Once I have my apple peeled, I'm going to slice it. Okay, and what I'm going to do is I'm going to peel these other apples and I'm going to put them in my saucepan with a little bit of water, a half a cup of water, and some Applejack. Depends upon how much Applejack you want. Applejack is an apple brandy, and it's made in the United States. It's very similar to a French Calvados, and this is just going to make it an adult applesauce. And that's it, just a touch. I'm going to put it on the flame. I'm going to let it come to a boil. And then once it starts to boil and disintegrate, I'm going to take it out of the pot. I'm going to mash it a little bit, and then I'm going to add my spices and sugar. Just a touch of cinnamon, because remember I cooked them in the Applejack, so they've got a lot of apple flavor. And I'm going to add some brown sugar, and I'm going to add some fresh grated nutmeg. Actually, the nutmeg state is Connecticut, and that's where I'm from. Okay, fresh grated nutmeg. I'm going to stir all it together. And it smells so good. It's like aromatherapy. And then what I'm going to do is I'm going to put it in a bowl. And it's ready to eat with pork chops, or what I like to do is use it and bake muffins with it. And I'm going to stick a little piece of cinnamon in it, and there we go. Braeburn applesauce, delicious. This is Gail Vogel saying goodbye for today, and this is my assistant Monica. See you again real soon. Bye-bye.